Children, welcome to your maths class. So children, in previous video we learned the meaning of subtraction, that is what we call subtraction, and some general methods of subtraction. It means how we can subtract the one number from the other. So children, firstly let's recall what we learned in the previous video. Okay, so the meaning of subtraction is to take away or to remove something. Okay, this is the meaning of subtraction. How we can subtract any numbers from given number? Suppose here I have here I have 5 fingers, and from 5 I want to remove 2. So what will be the answer? 1, 2. When from 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we remove 2, so we have 3. Okay, so it means when from 5 we take away 2, so the answer will be 3. Okay children, in the same manner with the various examples you understand about the subtraction. Okay, so today we are going to move further, that is what happened when we subtract 0 from any number. Okay, and there are some more activities that we can do in this today's video. So everyone, open your page number 87 in your Fusion Sem 2 textbook. Okay, so children, in previous video we completed the exercise on page number 84, that is fill in the blanks. After that we completed cross out and subtract one. I explained all this. Now everyone, and we also done the question number 3, that is subtract the following numbers then match the column. Okay, and after that we completed fun time. Now from today we are going to learn the subtraction of 0. So children, firstly we have to need to understand that what happen when we add or subtract 0 from any number. Okay, so here take one example, that is suppose I have 5 pencils. Okay, when I have 5 pencils, so what happen when we add 0 in it? What is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. So when we add nothing in it, what will be the answer? So it will be remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in the same manner, if I have 5 pencils and I want to subtract 0 from it, what is the meaning of 0 from it? It means we have to take away 0 from it. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. So when we take away 0 from it, or when we take away nothing from it, so what will be the answer? The answer will be the same, that is 5. So children, here you have to understand means when we add or subtract 0 from any number, the number will remain the same. Okay, it means if I have 2 pencils and from 2 when we take away 0, the answer will be 2. If we have 3 pencil and when we take away 0 from it, it will be remain 3. When we have 4 pencil and when I take 0 from it, the answer remains same. It means when we take 0 from any number, the number remains same. Okay, so now everyone come to the exercise. So 0 means nothing. When nothing is subtracted from a number, the number remain the same. Okay, so here we have in the picture we have 3 peacock. From here when we take 0 peacock, the answer will be 3. Okay, now here we have 6 birds. Okay, and we have to remove any numbers from it, that the answer will be count. So firstly you have to count the birds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what is the answer? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we have the number same, it means what we have to subtract here, when the number and the result will be the same, what you have to subtract? You have to subtract 0. So when we subtract 0 from any number, then the result will be the same. Okay, now come to the page number 88. Okay, now here we have 4 ducks. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 duck. Count the result number 1, 2, 3, 4. So number and the result will be the same. So what you subtract from that number, it will be 0. Okay. Now here we have, yes, what we have? Count the numbers of the parrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parrot. What will be the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parrot. So what you have to subtract from it? You have to subtract 0. Okay. So this is our first exercise. You have to subtract 0 from. When we subtract 0 to any number, the result will be the same. Now children, now come to the subtraction fact. We have to find the missing number. Okay, so here we have one chart. You can see it. Fill in the missing number such that you get the answer as 0 after subtraction. Okay, some are given. Suppose 1 minus 1. When we have one pencil and from 1, when we take out 1, what will be the result? Here you have any pencil? No. So result will be 0. Correct. When we have two pencils, and we take away 2 from it, so 1, 2, what will be the result? Here we don't have any pencil, so the result will be 0. Correct. So now if we have 3 pencils and we take away 3 from it, what will be the result? 1, 2, 3. We doesn't have any pencil. Now it will be 0. So children, remember, when you get 0, when you subtract the same number. Okay, it means when we subtract 1 from 1, you get 0. When we subtract 2 from 2, you get 0. When we subtract 3 from 3, you get 0. When we subtract 4 from 4, you get 0. Suppose here we have, when we have 4 pencils, okay, and when we take away 4 from it, 1, 2, 3, 4, what we get? We get 0. Correct. Or when we have 5 pencils and we want 0, so what we have to do? We have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we get 0. Correct. So fact is that when you subtract the same number, when you subtract the same number, then you get 0. It means when you subtract It means when you subtract 1 from 1, you get 0. 2 from 2, you get 0. 3 from 3, you get 0. Or you can suppose 3 from 3 now, draw 3 line, okay, and take out from 3. Now cut line one by one, 1, 2, 3. So how many lines are remaining? Nothing. So it will be 0. It means 3 minus 3 will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 5 minus 5 will be 0. Now come to the exercise, page number 88. So one is already done for you. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So this is the fact where you get the 0. Okay. Now come to the second one. What is this question? Fill in the missing number such that you get the answer 1 after subtraction. Okay, so how you can get the number 1 after subtraction? See, first example, when you have one pencil, okay, one pencil, and from it to when you remove 0, when you take 0, 0 means nothing. It means when you take nothing from this pencil, then it will be 1. So 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. When you have two pencils, and when you remove one pencil from it, 2 minus 1. So when you remove 1 from it, it will be 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Now children, suppose when you have 3 minus what? 3 minus what is equals to 1. Here we have 3 pencils, okay, 3. So 3 minus what? You will get 1. So you have 3 pencil and you want the result as 1. So when you take away 1 pencil, it will be 2. But you want what you want? You want 1. So when you take second pencil, it will be 1. So 3 minus 2. From 3, when you take away 2, then it will be 1. So everyone fill it in what? 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Now again, when you have 4, okay, when you have 4 pencil and you want the result as what you want? 1 na? So how many pencils you have to take away? Take 1 pencil, result will be 3. We want 1. Take 2 pencil, result will be 2, but we want 1. Take 3 pencils away. So what will be the result? Then it will be 1. So it means 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So write down 3. Now 5 minus what? So here when we have 5 pencil, okay, and we want what we want, and we want result 1. So for how many pencil we have to take away from 5? When we take 1 pencil, it will be 4. When we take 2 pencil, it will be 3. When we take 3 pencils, it will be 2. When we take 4 pencils, it will be 1. Now, so 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So write it 5 minus 4. So children, you can see the fact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. When you get 1, when you take the just before number, just before 2 we have 1, just before 3 we have 2, just before 4 we have 3, just before 5 we have 4, just before 6 we have 5. So now 7, just before 7 we have 6 na. So we suppose if we have a 7 pencil, see here, 7, 6 and 1, 7. When we have 7 pencils and we want the result as 1. So how many pencil we have to take away? When we take 1 pencil, it will be 6. When we take 2 pencil, it will be 5. When we take 3 pencil, it will be 4. When we take 4 pencil, it will be 3. When we take 5 pencil, it will be 2. When we take 6 pencils, when we take away 6 pencil, then answer will be 1. So what you have to take away? 7 minus 6. In the same manner, just before 8 we have 7. So 8 minus 7 will be 1. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Okay. Now come to the next one. Fill in the missing number such that you get the answer as 2 after subtraction. So what you have to do? Here you want the answer as 2 na. So what we have to do? So children, start when we have 2 pencils, 2. And when we take 0 from it, 0. So when we take 0 means nothing from it, then it will be 2. Okay. Now 3. When we have 3 pencil and from 3 when we take 1, it will be 2. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. Now next one we have 4 pencil. Okay. And we want the result as 2. So how many pencil we have to remove? Here we have 4 pencil. We want the result 2. So how many pencil we have to remove? When we take away 1, it will be 3. When we take away 2, it will be 2. So it means 4 minus 2 will be 2. Okay, so write it down here. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Okay. Now next, 5 minus what? When you have 5 pencils, okay, and we want the result as 2. So how many pencils you have to take away? When you take away 1, it will be 4. When you take away 2, it will be 3. When you take away 3, it will be 2. So it means from 5 pencils, when we take away 3, it will be 2. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 2. Now come to the 6 minus what? So now when we have 6 pencils, now we have 6 pencils, okay. So children, see, from 2 when you subtract 0, it will be 2. 3 when we subtract 1, you will get 2. 4 when we subtract 2, you will get 2. 5 from you subtract 3. See the arrangement, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now from 6 you have to subtract how many numbers? Pencil, take away how many pencils? That's you get 2. So when you take away 1, it will be 5. When you take away 2, it will be 4. When we take away 3, it will be 3. So when we take away 4, it will be 2. So 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Okay. Now when you have 7 pencils, okay, 7, okay. So when you have 7 pencils, so what you have to subtract from get 2, you have to subtract 5. So see the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 5, it means from 7 when we take away 5 pencils, 5, it will be 2. So 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Now 8. From 8 what you have to take away, that you get 2. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to take which pencils? How many pencils? 6 pencils now. Or you can see there with the example. When you take away 1, it will be 7. When you take away 2, it will be 6. When you take away 3, it will be 5. When you take away 4, it will be 4. When you take away 5, it will be 3. Or when you take away 6, it will be 2. When from 8, when you take away 6 pencil, then it will be 2. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. In the same, when you have 9, so how many pencils we have to take away? When you have 9, just add one more pencil, okay. 9. Now 6 plus 3, 9. So when you just take away just 6, you have 3. Take one more from it. So it will be, yes, so it will be 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Okay. Okay, now come to the next one, that is 3. Okay, how you can do it from 3. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, so children, 3, from 3 when you have fill in the missing numbers such that you get the answer as 3 after subtraction. When you have 3 and from 3 when you take away 0, means nothing. So product will be 3. 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. Okay. When you have 4 pencils and you want result as 3. So how many pencils you have to take away? Only 1. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay. Now here we have 5 pencils, okay, and we want the result what? 3. So here 1, 2, 3. So how many pencils you have to remove? 2. So 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Okay. Now 6 pencils, okay, 6. And what do you want the result? 6, 3. So count it. 1, 2, 3. So how many pencils you have to take away? 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now 7. Okay. From 7 what you have to subtract for getting 3? How many pencils you have to take away? You want the result as 3 now. So it will be 3. So how many pencils you have to take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Okay. Now you have 8. Okay. And from 8 pencil you want the result 3. So here you have 3. How many pencils you have to take away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Okay. Now 9. When you have 9 and you want the result as 3. So how many pencils you have to take away? Here see the pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the result will be 3. So the 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. Okay. Come to the next one, that is fill in the missing number such that you get the answer as 4 after subtraction. Okay. So start when you have 4 pencils. and you take away 0 from it, so it will be remain 4. Now when you have 5 pencils, 5, and you want the result as 4, so here we have 0, it means 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we can see with the help of example 5, so take 1, it will be 4. Okay, now 6, so what you have to take? 2, it will be 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Okay, when you have 7, so how many pencils you have to take? 0 1 2, it will be 3. When you take 1 2 3, it will be 4. C, so 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Now when you have 8 pencils, okay, so you take 0 1 2 3, now you have to take 1 2 3 4, so it will be 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Now when you have 9 pencils, okay, so 3 4, how many pencils you have to take away? 5, 1 2 3 4 5. What will be the result? 4. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. Okay, now come to the next number. Fill in the missing numbers such that you get answer as 5 after subtraction. Okay, so when you have 5 pencils, you have to take 0 from it, it will be 5. Next one, 6 pencils, so here we have 0, so you have to take how many pencil? Only 1. So 6 pencil, when you take away 1, it will be 5. So 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay, when you have 7 pencils, how many pencils you have to take away? 2, it will be 5. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. When you have 8 pencil, how many pencils you have to do? 0 1 2, so it will be, now it's times 2, 3. Now see, this is 5. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. When you have 9 pencil, okay, and we want the answer 5, so how many? Here remove 0 1 2 3, so it's time for 4. 1 2 3 4, so it will be 5. Okay, now how you get 6? Okay, when we subtract from 0 to 9, so 6. When you have 6 pencils, 6, and from it when you take 0, it will be again 6. Okay, but when we have 7 pencils, so how many pencils you have to take away? 1, it will be 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Okay, and when you have 8, when you have 8, how many pencils you have to take away? 0 1 2, so it's time to take away 2 pencils. So what will be the result? It will be 6. 8 minus 2 will be 6. Now 9, for 9 pencil, if you have 9 pencil and you want the result 6, so 3 3 6, 0 1 2, so how many pencils you have to take away? 3. It will be 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Okay, now come to the next one, that is 7. How you get the 7? So for getting 7 children, again 3 3 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay, so concept remain the same. Every time the concept remain the same, then one need is that you have to understand. So from 7, when you take 0, it will be 7, correct. And from 8, when you have 8 and you want 7, so how many pencils you have to take? 0. Now it's, you have 7, 8 pencils, you want the result and 7, 3 4 5 6 7, so how many pencils you have to take away? Only 1, so 8 minus 1 will be 7. And when you have 9 pencils, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, and you want the result 7, it means you want the result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so how many pencils you have to take away? 2, so 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. Okay, okay, now 8 and 9. So children, how we get if we have 8, 5 4 5 6 7 8, okay, how we get 8? from 8 when we subtract 0, okay, from 0 it will be 8, correct. And when we have 9 pencil and we want 8, so how many pencils we have to remove? Here we have 9. When we take away 1, it will be 8. So 9 minus 8 will be, 9 minus 1 will be 8, okay. Now 9. When we have 9 pencils, from 9, how many pencils we have to take away? That's why we get 9. Here we have 9. So how many pencil we have to take away to get 9? Nothing, means 0. So 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. Okay children. So this is the concept of subtractions of numbers. So here you have to subtract the number from 0 to 9. Okay. So this is the some subtraction facts. Everyone complete it. Okay. Complete it in your textbook. Now practice time, subtraction of bigger number. So children, how we can do it, we can understand with the help of the examples. Okay, so come to the first one. Here we have 12 minus 7. So let's count the dice. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12 we have. So from 12 how many we have, how many numbers we have to subtract? 7 now. So let's start cutting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Cut the 7 dice. Now count the remaining. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer will be 5. In the same manner, here we have 15 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. From 15 we have to take away how many balls? 5. So cut it. 1 2 3 4 5. Now count the remaining balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 15 minus 5 will be 10. Okay. Now 18 minus, here how many 12s we have? 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. From 18 we have to take away 10. So take away 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many are remaining? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 18 minus 10 is equals to 8. Okay. Now 16 minus 12 means these are the 16 balls, and from this we have to take away 12. So how we can take away 12? Remove 12 from it. So cut it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So how many are remaining? 1 2 3 4. So 16 minus 12 will be 4. Okay. Now 20 minus 7. Here we have 20 green ball, from which we have to take away 7. So remove 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many are remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 20 minus 7 will be 13. Okay. Now the next one. Here we have dolls. 14 dolls we have. From 14 we have to remove 8. So take away 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how many are remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 14 minus 8 will be 6. Okay, so children, you have to complete your work till the page number 93. Okay, so in today's video we learn about the subtraction from 0. We also learn the some subtractional facts. Okay, after that we also learn how we can subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So children, the homework is for you, that you have to learn the subtraction facts and complete your exercise of the page number 93. Okay, till then everyone, do practice, stay safe, stay healthy.